So you've got yourself the GoPro Hero 13 Black, and in the box it says your camera must be updated before you can use it. Well, today we're going to show you how to update your GoPro Hero 13 Black using the GoPro Quik App on your phone. We're also going to be showing you how to install the battery that goes in on the side, as well as the memory card, so that your GoPro is all set and ready to use. It's really quite simple to do, so let's go ahead and dive right into setting up your GoPro Hero 13 Black. So let's get this GoPro Hero 13 Black all set up. Now I do want to mention, if you are interested in any of my favorite accessories, they are all linked below in the description. But we're going to start out with installing the memory card and the battery. Then we'll jump over to updating the camera with the Quik App in a moment. So on your camera, you'll see the side where it says 13 Black. We want to go to the opposite side here. This is where you're going to find the battery door. And to open the battery door, it does require a fair bit of force. You need to pull down on this tab here at the bottom. So we're going to pull that down, and you should see it's kind of a red tab behind there. When you see that, you should be able to open the door up. Again, a fair bit of force is required. Then you can open up the door like that. Now, the first thing we're going to do is install the memory card. So you'll see some little fingers down here, and the memory card goes in underneath that. So grab your memory card, and it goes in this direction like that. So the writing on the memory card faces the back of the camera. And it just slides into that slot like that. And this is spring loaded. So once you get to the end, you're going to need to push it in, and it should stay in just like that behind there. Now, if you do want to remove it, give it a little push and it'll pop back out. Then you can pull it out. We're going to push that back in. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our battery. Now the battery goes in with the GoPro symbol facing the front of the camera like that. So it kind of looks like that when it goes in. It just slides in that direction. There is a little pull tab so you can get it out easily as well. Now we'll go ahead and close that battery cover. Now you should be able to give it a push and it should clip into place. Make sure there's no red here, because this is a watertight door. We don't want any water getting in there. So if you see red, it's probably not closed properly. So from here, let's go ahead and turn on our GoPro. So we can hit the mode button here on the side, and it should turn on for us. And the first thing it's going to do is ask us what language we'd like. So you can go through all the languages. When you find the one you like, just go ahead and hit the check mark in the corner. I'm going to go with English. It's going to ask us if we agree with the legal terms. So you can go to the website there and read those if you like. Once you do that, go ahead and hit agree. GPS enables awesome features for your videos, including optional data overlays. You can turn that off or on. I'm going to turn that on. And asks you if you want to turn on voice control, so I'm going to turn that on. And then voice control language, if it's English, you can confirm that, or you can change it. Next, make sure the GoPro Quik App is installed on your phone. It is free to download for both Apple and Android, so go to your App Store and download that. And there's a QR code here on the GoPro, so we can open up our camera on our phone and just kind of scan that. There it is, and we'll tap on that, and it should load up the GoPro Quik App. Now, if you want to do it manually, you can just open up the GoPro Quik App on your phone and just hit on GoPro here in the corner, and you should be able to hit connect to GoPro here and find your GoPro that way. But it's found it because I scanned the QR code. We're going to go ahead and hit connect, and it's going to start searching. It says pair with GoPro, allow access to contacts call history. I'm going to turn that on, and we're going to go ahead and hit pair. There we go, it connected that time. So we can name our GoPro if we like. I'm going to leave mine as GoPro Hero 13 Black. Head and hit save new name. Let's install your update. So this is where you would install your update. I'll go ahead and hit continue. It's going to tell us everything that it's updating for us. So we'll go ahead and hit update camera. It's connecting to the camera's Wi-Fi. Searching for device, connect to device. So GoPro Quik App wants to use a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect to your device. So let's go ahead and hit connect. You can read the legal disclaimer here. And once you've done that, hit accept and continue. It's going to transfer the update to your camera. It says be sure to leave the camera on and don't leave the app. The GoPro will power on and off a few times. Installing the update. So now it says updating over here. Reconnecting. And it's restarting and it says update complete. And there we go. It says all set, your camera software was updated successfully. You now have access to the latest features. We'll hit OK. And then place your camera in range of your Wi-Fi network. We can go ahead and hit start scan. And it's searching for Wi-Fi networks. And you can connect to your Wi-Fi. I'll put in my password. And connect. You could also hit I'll do this later if you like. But the camera is ready to go. And auto upload is on. That's a feature I pay for. We'll just hit continue. Free up SD space with auto clear. I like to leave that off. All done. Your Hero 13 Black is ready and it's connected there. And that took about 5 minutes or so to get this GoPro all up and running. So I hope this tutorial helped you out in setting up your GoPro Hero 13 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe here so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.